I'm excited. The last part for the extra unique question for SL, H, C, and D. Okay, so first of all, it asks to expression for f x. So we have the f dash x here. So do the indefinite integral. So for C part, we do the indefinite integral. So we can say this one dx plus c, right? And then you look at here, the form is like it, and then we write down explicitly, help us to recognize what is the integral. Not hard, not tough, quite straightforward. You need to have some imagination. So this one is hard, but if you guess, maybe it is not the denominator. After differentiation, the denominator will come out, and then you look at this, differentiate this one is exactly 2x plus 2. It's numerator. Yeah. It is a exam question. Why not your IA? Right? It must have a solution. So next step is to find C. Okay, it give you okay F2 equals V plus log 10. Okay, then we substitute this. We call it the initial condition, boundary condition, whatever you want to say. Okay, this is V plus log 10. Okay, then log 2 square plus 2 times 2 plus 2. Wow, very long. Plus C bar. Luckily, right hand side is not 10 plus C. Oh, lucky. Very easy. So C is 3. So remember our task is to find fx. Please write down explicitly. So fx equals log x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus 3. Excellent. So next one is D part. Find the equation of the normal to the graph of f as 2 v plus log 10. This is another question, so I just write out the solution for C first. Okay. Okay, D is another one. Okay, so we wrote D. Okay, so remember normal. So what is normal? Normal is a negative 1 over m, right? The m of the gradient. So firstly, we find out the gradient first. The gradient is negative 1 over f dash 2. Okay, so substitute f dash 2 is over there, so we flip it, so it is negative 2 square plus 2 plus 2 over 2 plus 2. So many 2. Okay, I love you. So it is 10. Okay, negative 10 over 6. So it is negative 10 over 6. Sometimes I don't jump the step for checking. So it's negative 5 over 3. Yes, we got it. And then easy. I remember the general equation y minus v plus log 10 equals the gradient x minus 2. But we can't submit this as solution, but you have to simplify it, move the 3 to the left hand side. Okay, vy expand minus 9 minus v log 10 equals minus 5x plus 10. Be careful, be careful. Any careless mistake, look. It seems no way. Then go on, go. Plus 5x minus 90 minus v log 10 looks ugly, right? So think about it twice, okay? Anything wrong? I can't think of. Then just let it, right? In exam, when you're nervous, okay? But time is important, so accept it is the answer. Oh, that's excellent. Well done, guys. Already we finished SL unique question, okay? For other SL question, remember look at my Excel one, okay? Maybe I will post the conversion table up here somewhere, okay? See you guys. Bye.